Be prepared for a messy evening commute. Matt's tracking a wintry mix.
Well, thanks a lot, Danielle. A couple things we need to keep an eye on as we go throughout the afternoon. There's an area wintry mix that will be pushing into all of northern Ohio. I don't think impacts are going to be that widespread, but something that may cause some slippery travel in spots. We've got a warmer but rainy weekend ahead, and I'll tell you what, we'll take the warmth right any way we can get it, but the price we pay this time of year is with some rain, and then we're talking cold with some snow next week. Doesn't look too organized at this point. So let's take you hour by hour as we go throughout the afternoon. You can see temperatures into the 30s. Much better than where we started out this morning, but here comes this little pesky area of precipitation. It's along a trough, which is just a little wave in the atmosphere. Produced some travel troubles over in Indiana earlier this morning, but we're dealing with perhaps some rain mixed with freezing rain at times. Air temperatures are going to be at or above freezing. That's the good news, but keep in mind we had a really cold morning, so the ground, a lot of that surface still below freezing, so this may cause some icy spots. And then as we go throughout the afternoon on into the evening, we're now looking at our evening rush hour here, dealing with perhaps some problems over towards Akron. It's very fleeting. It goes away by evening. We're dealing with just some leftover snowflakes mixed with freezing drizzle, mixed with some rain. So we'll just call that a wintry mix, but widespread problems not expected this evening. And then as we go into tonight and tomorrow, we bring that warmer area in aloft, and that really warms things up. We deal with all rain at that point, so no precipitation problems whatsoever. But still some showers around for your Friday morning rush hour. That all leaves the area, and much of your Friday afternoon is not looking that bad. In fact, I think we'll be dry with temperatures recovering pretty nicely up to near 40 degrees or so. Beyond that, big old system forming in the southern plains as we go throughout the weekend. Here's that wave that goes by on Friday, but watch this area low pressure develop and head north. We're on the warm side of it, but that means we get pretty rainy go of it as we go into Saturday and Sunday as well. They'll have a snowstorm on the northern periphery, and it looks like that slug of moisture comes through Saturday, so Saturday looks rainy at this point. Sunday becoming more scattered as the system kind of exits to the north, and then eventually this will all swing in and we'll go colder next week, as you'll see in your forecast. How much rain are we talking about? Well, areas in yellow, that equals anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches, so we could be dealing with, I think, a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain, and that falls mainly on Saturday. So today, PM wintry mix, we'll continue to track it. Betsy's in at 6 to give you the latest as well, and then your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast brings the warm up this weekend and then the cool down next week with temps back into the 30s.